Life can be unpredictable. One moment, everything seems fine, and the next, you're faced with a financial emergency. Imagine this. You're living independently, working a 9-to-5 job, and enjoying your freedom. But then, you're hit with an unexpected expense. A car repair, a medical bill, or even a sudden job loss. Without an emergency fund, these situations can quickly turn into financial crises. But what if there was a way to protect yourself from such unexpected events? That's where an emergency fund comes in. Emergency funds are your safety net in times of need. They're like a financial cushion that can help you stay afloat when life throws you a curveball. It's your financial lifeline, giving you peace of mind and the ability to handle whatever life throws your way. Building an emergency fund is simpler than you might think. Start by setting a goal for your emergency fund. Determine how much you'll need for your emergency fund. A good rule of thumb is to save enough to cover 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Then, open a separate savings account just for your emergency fund. Keep your emergency fund separate from your regular savings account to avoid dipping into it for non-emergencies. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your emergency fund. This way, you'll be saving money consistently without having to think about it. Finally, cut back on non-essential expenses. Review your budget and look for areas where you can reduce spending. This could include dining out less often, canceling subscription services you don't use, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a solid emergency fund. Remember, it's not about how much you save, but about starting and being consistent. Your future self will thank you for taking this important step towards financial security. Follow for more great advice.